Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Alia Private School Distant Learning. How are you? I hope all are going good and stay healthy. Today we are going to do some revision work. Okay, let's start. First question. Here are 6 temperatures in degrees Celsius. 6, -10, 5, -4, 0 and -2. Write them in order starting from the lowest. Write these temperatures in order starting from the lowest value. The answer is -10, -4, -2, 0, 5, 6. -10, -4, -2, 0, 5, 6. Next question. Here are the midday temperatures in degrees Celsius of 5 cities on the same day. Here are the midday temperature in degrees Celsius of 5 cities on the same day. They are Moscow, -8 degrees Celsius. Tokyo, -4 degrees Celsius. Berlin, 5 degrees Celsius. Boston, -2 degrees Celsius. And Melbourne, 12 degrees Celsius. The questions are: which city was the warmest city? Which city was the warmest? Warmest means hottest city. Which city? Yes, Melbourne. Melbourne was the warmest city and its temperature was 12 degrees Celsius. The next question, which city was the coldest? Which city was the coldest city? Is Moscow and its temperature was -8 degrees Celsius. Some frozen food is stored at -8 degrees Celsius. During a power failure, the temperature increases by 3 degrees in every minute. What is the temperature in first and second minute? Some frozen food is stored at -8 degrees Celsius. During a power failure, the temperature increases by 3 degrees in every minute. What is the temperature in first and second minute? The temperature in first minute, that means here the temperature is increases. So the value increases. So the temperature in first minute is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. -5 degrees Celsius. That means -8 plus 3 is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. Temperature in second minute. Temperature in second minute is equal to -5 plus 3. -5 plus 3 is equal to -2 degrees Celsius. -2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature in first minute is equal to -5 and temperature in second minute is equal to -2 degrees Celsius. The temperature in this morning was -7 degrees Celsius. This afternoon, the temperature dropped by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the new temperature? The temperature in this morning was -7 degrees Celsius. The afternoon, the temperature dropped. Dropped means decreases by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the new temperature? The new temperature is equal to -7 minus 10. -7 minus 10. Because here the temperature is decreases. Here the temperature decreases. So the new temperature is equal to -7 minus 10 is equal to -17 degrees Celsius. -17 degrees Celsius. Okay, next question. Nasser recorded the temperature in his garden at different times of the same day. Nasser recorded the temperature in his garden at different times of the same day. 6 o'clock, at morning 6 o'clock, the temperature is negative 4 degrees Celsius. At 9 o'clock, temperature is negative 1 degree Celsius. At noon time, 12 o'clock, the temperature 5 degrees Celsius. At 15, that means afternoon 3 o'clock, the temperature is 7 degrees Celsius, and at 18, that means evening 6 o'clock, the temperature is 1 degree Celsius. When was temperature the lowest? The lowest temperature was at 6 o'clock. At morning 6 o'clock is negative 4 degree Celsius. When was the temperature the highest? The highest temperature was at 15. That means afternoon 3 o'clock. At 15. That means the temperature is 7 degree Celsius.